Good day everybody, I'm Sundar. Welcome to RecipeCheckr, your cooking channel for restaurant style and real recipes. In today's video, I'm going to show you a festive recipe, Nougat cake. Many times people ask me how they can make a soft and fluffy cake without adding chemicals and emulsifiers in it. That's what I'm going to show you today so that you can make a soft and fluffy cake at the comfort of your home kitchen. Stay tuned. Total preparation time for the nougat cake is about 1 hour. This is including making the sponge cake and the nougat as well as the whipped cream and then decorate it. So the whole process, it takes about 1 hour. The ingredients we need. First, I'm going to show you how to make a nougat, which is nothing but caramel and cashew nuts. So I got a pan which is on a simmer now. So I'm going to add the sugar. Now you see that the sugar is started getting crystalled and it will start melt now. And then I need to make sure that I need to constantly mix it so that it get evenly colored and caramelized. You can see at this stage the sugar is almost getting melted, and you need to really be watchful on this consistency because it will quickly change its color to a very dark. So you need to keep watch out. When you're using a very thick bottom, it's good to have a thick bottom pan for handling sugar like this, but what happens is even when you switch off the flame, still it has a lot of retention of heat which will further change and enhance and cook the color. So you need to be very careful. Ready now here. I'm going to switch this off and I'm going to add the cashew nuts here. So I'm going to pour this. Still you see, because the bottom is thick, still you can see the bubbling effect which is coming. I'm going to put this in a silicone mat or a tray and then I let it cools down, and once then it become very solid mixture. So that's where I'm going to use my rolling pin or a hammer or something to break it into a small pieces, and that's a nougat ready to be put it on the cake. Once the nougat is cools down on a tray, I use a rolling pin to break it into a small pieces. So it's basically granules of caramel and the nuts. Now we come to a stage 2 of making the sponge cake. I'm using a whipping method. I pour the egg. I have taken the ingredients which will be going for about 1.5 kilo of finished cake. So I'm used probably 1 kilo tin as well as 1/2 kg tin, so that you can make it as 2 cakes for an example. I'm adding sugar now. Now you can see this, the consistency is changing. It has become like a batter and getting thicker. I'm going to add the vanilla essence. And I bring it down to a slow speed because I'm not whipping any further, and I'm just mix this well, adding the flour. So I'm going to just sprinkle, just slowly, gently mix it because we don't want that the raised batter to settle down. This is ready. You see, the batter is nice, fluffy and thick, and this goes into the pan. Now the batter is ready. It's quite fluffy and thick, and I'm going to transfer it into these molds. My mold is already been greased with butter, little bit of butter, and I use the parchment paper so that the sides and the bottom is covered. So now I'm going to transfer this mixture into the mold. Now I have the batter inside the mold. I have a preheated oven for about 180 degrees, and it just goes in and need to get baked for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to show you how to make the whipped cream. Let's do that. I've taken about 250 ml of dairy-free whipped cream. So this cream, you can get it on any bakery supply retailers. So now this is ready. You can see it is sharp, tipped, and I don't beat it any further because we don't want really a stiff one. And now this is still chill. You put it back into the fridge. Probably in another 5 minutes time, our cake should be ready in the oven. And by the time it cools down, we're going to decorate that. Now the nougat is ready, the whipped cream is ready, the cake is baking in the oven for the last 20 minutes at about 180 degrees. It must be ready now. I'm going to check and take it out. Now the cake is ready. Let's cool it down and then we'll wait for it and then demold it and then we make the icing. Now the sponge has got demolded and it just cooled for about 2 hours, and you can see it's very soft, and we didn't use any emulsifiers or any other substances we use the proper method of beating it and then we baked it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that into 3 different layers, and I'm going to use the whipped cream which we made earlier and then give a kind of a sandwich and then fill it with the nougat as well as top it up with nougat. And I have a hot water because when you finish the cake, it's always important you have the hot water ready so that you can put your palette knife in. It'll give you a smooth finish. Now I use a turntable. If you don't have a turntable, still you can manage, but if you can access a turntable, the cake decorating, especially the piping finishing skills, is going to be much easier. The cake need to be refrigerated and served chill. So I hope you enjoy the video today, how to make a nougat festive cake. It's a special occasion cake, and please try this at home. If you tried cake before, maybe try this recipe and leave me a comment. I'm very happy to hear from you about your experience trying this recipe. Follow us on all the other platforms of social media and subscribe our channel and share this along with your friends, and look forward to see you with another recipe. Thank you.